Hello friends and welcome back to the Techvision channel. So friends, today I will talk about Ocypus new Gamma 360 series PC case. So friend, the new Gamma 660 series including Gamma C60 and 660 ARGB, the latest edition of the PC case lineup building on the brand's signature minimalist design language. The Gamma C60 combine 11 aesthetics, advanced cooling architecture and uncompromised compatibility and tailored for a wide range of PC builders. So friend, the front panel is forged from the high-strength steel and precision maze and enhanced by a metallic floating visual effect. The clean and geometric lines embody a minimalistic aesthetics while enabling effective airflow, delivering both from the functional in perfect balance and the chassis feature a 6-fan mount and intelligent optimized airflow part to generate a positive pressure environment, and this configuration dramatically enhance internal air circulation, effectively dissipating heat and maintaining consistent system cooling over time. And beside, the Gamma C60 ARGB comes with four 120 ARGB fans on the front and rear, and the Gamma C60 is designed for the real-world use in mind. From initial installation to daily maintenance, the case includes a practical enhancements such as magnetic dust filter for effortless cleaning and slide inside panel for easy access and independent power chamber to keep heat or power supply confined. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.